It's easy to stay up to date with all things childcare. Simply click the subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video.
Swim vests for toddlers, why they're important and how to choose the right one. Summertime is a great time to take your little ones swimming. It's a fun way to cool off and get some exercise. However, before you head to the pool or beach, you need to ensure that your toddler is wearing a swim vest. A swim vest for toddlers is essential because it helps keep your child safe in the water. In this video, we will discuss the different types of swim vests available and how to choose the right one for your child. What are toddler swim vests? A toddler swim vest is a life jacket that is specifically designed for toddlers. They are usually made from foam or neoprene and have adjustable straps to ensure a snug fit. Toddler swim vests also have bright colors and patterns so that your child is visible in the water. Toddler swim vests are important because they provide buoyancy and help keep your child afloat in the water. They also help prevent your child from getting tired while swimming and make it easier for you to keep an eye on them. In addition, toddler swim vests can help protect your child from the sun and provide some warmth if they get cold while swimming. If you are going on a swimming outing with your child, make sure to bring a toddler swim vest along. This way, you can keep your child safe and protected while enjoying the water. A toddler swim vest is necessary every time you take your child on a swimming trip. After all, a toddler swim vest will give you peace of mind that your child is safe while swimming. How to choose the right toddler swim vest. When choosing a toddler swim vest, it is crucial to consider the following factors. The size of the swim vest. Swim vests come in different sizes. It is important to choose a swim vest that is the right size for your child. If the swim vest is too big, it may come off in the water. If it is too small, it will be uncomfortable for your child to wear. The best toddler swim vests to use are those that fit like a glove. Make sure to always choose the best toddler swim vest for your children. After all, the best toddler swim vest will keep your kids safe. The weight of the swim vest. The weight of the swim vest is also an important factor to consider. Swim vests are typically made from foam or other buoyant materials. The heavier the swim vest, the more buoyant it will be. Choose a swim vest that is appropriate for your child's weight and swimming ability. Make sure to check for swim vests that are Coast Guard approved if you like. Get a life jacket, if possible. The material of the swim vest. Swimming vests are usually made from nylon or another similar synthetic material. This type of material is durable and can withstand repeated use. Choose a swimming vest that is comfortable for your child to wear and will not irritate their skin. The color of the swim vest. The color of the swim vest is also an important consideration. Swim vests are typically brightly colored so that they are visible in the water. Choose a swim vest that is easy to see, especially if you plan on using it in murky or dark waters. You can also purchase a swim aid or swim aids with kids' swim vests. For instance, swim aids like swim noodles can help keep your child afloat while they are learning to swim. Another swim aid you can purchase is swimming diapers. Swimming diapers are designed to contain any accidents that may happen while your child is in the water. They are also helpful in keeping the pool clean. Choose swim diapers that fit snugly around your child's waist and legs so that they do not leak. The design of the swim vest. Another thing that you should consider when choosing swim vests for toddlers is the design. Swim vests come in a variety of designs. Some swim vests have arm floaties attached while others do not. Some swim vests are made to look like life jackets, while others are not. Choose a swim vest that you think your child will be comfortable wearing. At best, choose the best swim vests that come with an adjustable crotch strap, padded shoulders and safety strap. You can tell that a swim trainer vest is of good quality if it has all of these features. The swim vest should also be comfortable for the toddler to wear. It should not be too tight or too loose. The swim vest should also allow your child to move freely. You can find swim vests and swim aids for toddlers in most stores that sell swimming gear. You can also find them online. When shopping for swim vests for toddlers, make sure to compare prices and read reviews. This will help you find the best swim vest for your child. Let your kids wear swim vests every time they go for a swim. A Coast Guard approved swim vest is always the best option. These swim vests come with padded shoulders, a safety strap, and other safety features.
Hope you got value from this video. Remember to click the subscribe button and hit the bell so